Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation, Asia Pacific. Anita, welcome to join our interview program. We want to first thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, Roger, for this opportunity. My name's Anita Manwani, and I have been in Silicon Valley for many, many decades, way before some of the freeways were in place. But my story kind of goes back a long ways. I came here as a student, and now currently, I'm the CEO and founder of a lab information management solution software company. The company is called Relims. We are doing business as Relims, though we started out as Karobar Business Solutions. And prior to that, I was a senior executive with Agilent Technologies and Hewlett Packard. And prior to that, I was in a startup in a robotics company. And I have two hats. My other job, which is a voluntary job, is the president of TAI Silicon Valley. And TAI has been around for 30 years. So we'll talk about that, later on in this conversation.
Discussion topic: Innovating beyond product to surpass competition.
What's the, kind of the driving force, whether you're mainly focusing on customer needs or understanding or even anticipate their needs to guide your new services decisions, new product decisions, or do you also look at the competition, the competitors' move and threats to influence your new product, new service decisions to respond? So what's your practice, in this area?
So, customers are our first point.
Yeah.
And they help guide by sharing their challenges and what they are trying to do and what their market is asking them to do. And so that is in many cases our guiding for what needs to happen within the product. The other piece is that you can never keep your ball off the competition, right? It's software. It's innovative today, it's commodity tomorrow. So you have to constantly be ahead of the game. And so we are constantly we were the first in the industry to kind of actually come up with this, a single solution for different modalities. We also were amongst the first to have what we would call traditionally the ERP solution for laboratories. That included invoicing, that included payment, that included inventory management. And you have that market leadership for a little while, and your customers are saying, "Wow!" But in this industry, everybody who's got a decent sales and marketing presence is talking to your customers, and your customers are saying, "Well, I'm happy with Relims because they've also got inventory or document management or invoicing." And bingo, these companies we're not the smartest, we're all a bunch of smart entrepreneurs and companies. So they will listen to that statement, and in a few months, they will come out with those features. So yes, we do keep track of our customer and the competition, and technology has made it easy, right? The minute they are announcing something, the minute they've featured something on the web, you can find things out very quickly. So customers are our primary guide, and where we are promoting innovation is, for instance, when we are moving. An example of this is when we are moving samples between laboratories, or even, let's say, a farmer is sending a test sample to the laboratory. Now, that test sample is actually traveling a distance, right? And it could be through UPS, it could be through any of the logistics companies. We actually then said, why can't we be like any package that comes through Amazon or through FedEx, where you're tracking things, because that capability already exists. So we integrated with those logistic company APIs, and we were able to, within our system, people could see where the sample was and how soon is it going to arrive. So was it true innovation? I mean, being in product development all my career, no, I mean, it's not like I created a new operating system or but the innovation was to leverage the logistics companies' APIs and integrate them and make sure that we were able to tie them in to fulfill the needs of our customers. We anticipated that and provided that to them.
Thank you for watching.